Let's look at what's inside the box and become familiar with your new 1080p Wi-Fi network video security system. In the box you should have a Wi-Fi 1080p recorder with pre-installed storage media, day-night Wi-Fi cameras, 60-foot 18-meter power extension cables, a mouse, power adapters, a network cable, an HDMI cable, mounting screws with plugs, a quick start guide, and theft deterrent stickers. Looking at the back of the unit you will see an antenna port for connecting an antenna, a micro SD slot for removable media, a LAN port for connecting to the internet, an audio output for monitoring audio, a VGA port for connecting a VGA monitor, an HDMI port for connecting an HDMI display, USB ports for connecting the mouse and other peripherals, an antenna port for connecting a second antenna, and a power input for connecting the power adapter. Looking at the front of the unit you will find the power LED, which indicates the unit has power, the hard drive LED, which indicates the hard drive is accessing data. Looking at each camera you will find the lens, night vision LEDs, a TrueDetect PIR heat and motion sensor, the microphone, the speaker, an antenna, and the power input.